Hello and welcome back to my freaking channel.
Today I'm making a video that's really important to me. It's really close to my heart. It's really special to me.
So basically, yesterday I was in Walmart and I was walking around with my friends just doing our thing, getting our snacks and stuff. And I saw something on the floor. Let me just show you guys. This was on the floor of Walmart. And if you couldn't tell already, it's a tiny, fully branded Walmart shopping cart, mini size, and it opens so you can put a bunch of carts together. You know how carts work. The wheels, fully functional. It's everything to me. And I just needed to make a video and talk about it. So, in today's video, I'm going to just show you some uses for a mini cart if you have one too. And if you don't have one, I'm sure you could find one at Walmart. This was $12.99. If you don't have one, I recommend you go out and get one because it's really been such a lifesaver in the last 24 hours. So let's just dig right into some of the uses.
Mini cart life hack number 1 is using it as a skateboard. So it may not be able to support your weight. It probably couldn't support mine, but I was forcing it to. In this trick, I give my best go at a wheelie, it backfires, I swivel, and I stick the landing. So this next life hack involves some laundry. As you can see, I really had this shirt that really needs to go into my room. So I fold it up real good. As you can see, I'm folding it up really good right now. There I go, folding it. And then I place it into my little cart, and it's a really handy receptacle to make sure it gets to my room. This next life hack is really good if your house is stinky, so all you're going to need is a candle and a lighter. And you're just going to want to go ahead and light your candle up. And then you're going to place your candle in your cart. And then you're good to push it around your house and just make sure the smell gets everywhere and it really doesn't stink anymore. Oh, and I am off to make sure my house doesn't stink anymore. This next life hack involves a pet. It's just like, this one's kind of fun if you want to have fun. My cat didn't like it, so that's that. This final hack, really important, if you really are tired and you just need a place to rest, you could use your mini cart as a pillow. As you can see, I'm just resting my head inside. I can just peek out a little bit. It's really comfortable.